Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. So Aries, let's go ahead and shuffle the cards and see what's in store for you for the second half of the year, beginning the solstice that's around 20th, 21st of June. And I have to say, it's really lovely to be back and to be reading for you guys again. The energy of the second half of the year looks lovely. And let's go. Let's get started. Ah, Aries, you have the Archangel Michael card. Yes, Archangel Michael. Now let's pick two more cards. You have support. And one last card, retreat. Wow, beautiful cards. So Archangel Michael, support, and retreat. Those are lovely cards because right off the bat it shows you have support, not only from the angelic realm, but also Archangel Michael. So lots of support, lots of divine support from the heavens, and also retreat. So I'm going to read them in entirety for the second half of the year. I think the first half of the year for you, Aries, has been a bit of working, a bit of I'm seeing like tasks, both menial and important tasks, but a lot of working, putting in the grind, and not just for your coin, but things that you've had to do and sort out that is part of the process. Yeah, it hasn't come to the final destination yet. 1 minute. Thank you guys. I had something on the stove and forgot it. So let's go. Yes, it wasn't your final destination of where you want to be with putting in the grind. I mean, it never is, right? But there's something, a particular goal you had in mind, and usually we start at the beginning of the year. So I'm sensing though this was maybe a beginning of the year, but maybe it was a pie in the sky idea from even last year or before that you started executing. But like most things in life, or the bigger goals that we have, which isn't your usual day job, it gets put on the back burner and gets restarted, a step forward, a step, two steps back, a step other way, either way, you get it, right? So I feel that you will have a lot of support and angelic support, but also moments of intuition and clarity when you will need, or would you, when you would like to go forward. You know, you're going to feel the momentum of the energy moving you forward, and you will be able to ride it better in the second half of the year. You will see it making more progress and helping yourself to retreat, meaning when you need to rest, relax, rejuvenate, taking that step back and taking the moment to just breathe and fill your cup. Take a deep breath in and move forward with clarity, with the vision that you have for the end goal, for the final destination. And that's the key thing. I think what I'm saying is you'll be more clear on your final destination now than you ever have been before. This is a work in progress. So I feel like by the end of the year, you might not be complete because this is quite a big dream you've had, but it will be a lot of the momentum would have been gained, and it will be a much clearer structure and a much clearer picture that you've created as part of your vision. So Aries, I hope that helps. And most important, remember you have angelic support. You have not just angelic support, you have Archangel Michael support, who is the highest angelic protector there is. So your dreams are protected, and this particular dream in particular. So whichever dream you're thinking of now, that's the one. And remember to call in your support, speak into existence what you wish to create, and you will be creating it at the second half of the year. Aries, so enjoy the summer solstice or the winter solstice wherever you are, whichever part of the world. And remember to comment down below and let us know what you're creating. Let us know your dream. Also, enjoy the second half of the year. Remember to rest, rejuvenate, take a step back, retreat when you need to. It'll help you move forward, ironically enough, in the things that matter to your heart. All right, enjoy and have a great 2005, 2025, or the rest of it. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day. Enjoy. Bye. Hi, guys. So happy solstice again. And I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and today is the solstice, and 20th June. And it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea. So it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical. And I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen. And I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean. And there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go. Just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.